Tracy here. Welcome to my channel, and today I just wanted to do a quick video and show you how my summer garden is looking after I moved it over here a couple weeks ago. I planted my tomatoes that I had, my peppers, and zucchini and squash. So summer squash, of course. And let me show you how that is looking right now. I also wanted to give you a quick update on my I have a Fuerte Avocado tree that I don't know if you remember, but I had it here under the patio, but I moved it. I put it under a tree here right next to the garden, and let me show you how that one is doing now that it's not covered 100% under the patio. So I'll give you an update on that one. And I also wanted to show you a couple of plants, a few plants that I bought at Home Depot a couple of weeks ago, and I'm really excited about them. And I couldn't wait to show it to you, and hopefully being able to plant those here very soon. But no more talking, and let me show you. So here we go. This is my yellow squash that I planted about a week ago, and it's growing. Yay! Back there we have my zucchini doing well as well, looking good. Right here I have this tomato plant. I don't know if you remember from previous videos in my other home. This used to be full of little cherry tomatoes, and then this big one died, but now there are all these little shoots coming out. So I decided to leave it there because it looks like it's growing back, but on different areas. So yeah, the main stem is dead, but there's coming more. There's more coming out over here. So we'll see what happens with this one. What I did though, I took one of these little ones here and put it right here, and it seems to be doing okay as well. So we'll see how that goes. This here and here and there that looks dead. Let's start with this one. This is my basil, and when I first planted it here, it was still some a little green in the branches here, and now it looks dead. So I don't know if it's just shock or what, but yeah, we'll have to wait and see. But it looks dead. I'm gonna give it a couple more weeks, and if it doesn't come back, yeah, I'm gonna take it out. Same with this one and that one. They were doing okay, and then as soon as I moved in, they kind of went into shock. But I have hopes that they might be, I see they're still green, and I think I see some new leaves that might be coming out. So yeah, the same for that cherry tomato right there. Same thing happened. This one is funny because I bought this one just last week from Home Depot, and it's supposed to be this called Heat Master, and it's supposed to be acclimated to our climate here in Arizona, the heat. I don't know, it's still, as soon as I put it in the ground, it still kind of went into shock. Same thing, all the leaves fell off. However, as you can see right there, there's still hope. So I think there's still hope with all of them. I'm gonna kind of, it's kind of a wait and see stage right now, see if they can come back. If not, I'll plant something else here. But so far, the summer crops, my summer squash and my zucchini are doing great. And then the other thing I wanted to show you really quick before we move into my avocado is this. I got this at Home Depot a few weeks ago, probably 3 weeks ago. It's a golden berry, and I'm really excited about it because I never tasted a golden berry, first of all, and I can't wait to see how they taste and how they grow. I also, here we go, found finally a blackberry bush, which I've been looking for since I probably started doing this gardening a couple years ago. Finally found one at Home Depot, and I had to buy it. So this one is and this one my plan for this two together with my goji berries is to actually have them right there. That's where I want all my berries to go. Right here is where my garden beds will go. I'm planning on possibly having all the berry bushes here, and maybe grapes over here. At least that's the plan. So we'll see how that goes. And now, let me show you really quick what my avocado tree is doing. Yes, it does look burnt on the tips of the leaves here. It's been getting plenty of water. I water it twice a day with a lot of water, and it is under the tree, so it does get filter sun, not full blast sun. Nevertheless, this is Arizona. It doesn't matter if it's filtered, it's still hot, right? But I think it's good for this to start getting acclimated to, you know, the heat here in Arizona. And you know, even though it is, you know, getting a little crispier, it still has new growth coming. So I'm just gonna, you know, keep making sure that it gets plenty of water. And I'm sure it'll do better as, you know, the weeks go by. The worst months here in Arizona are July and August, so we have, you know, 1 more month of very intense heat, and then as we approach September, it starts to, you know, gradually go down, so it is more survivable for the plants. So the goal is to be able to you know, keep this plant alive for the next month and a half, and if we can make it through that, then it will be okay. Then you of course have the challenge of the winter, but our winters are mild and we only have a few days of frost, so we should be fine. Like I said, make sure that it always has enough water. Look, it's still kind of wet from this morning, and I will water it again when the sun goes down later this afternoon. So there you have it. This is the update on my avocado tree. Oh, and this one is Fuerte Avocado 3. Okay. Here is the water that I haven't yet been able to get all set up, and not because I didn't have time or I didn't want to, but mostly because we're building a pool, and we will have the pool pump over there in the corner. So until that is done and we know exactly where they're gonna have to dig and do all that plumbing, I didn't want to touch this yet. And I'm hoping I don't have to move this out of the way, but that might as well happen. Hopefully not. And once again, thank you guys for staying until the end of this video. Please, if you want to see more content and I can show you more things, don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel. It's free, it doesn't cost anything, and it helps me a lot. I am planning on you know, getting more videos out there. Right now it's only being once a week, and sometimes even once every 2 weeks. But as the weather changes and I'm able to get out here a little bit more, I'm hoping I can have more content for you guys. Today it is 111 degrees right now outside, so I know it's still hot. It's not like it's super cool or anything, but I have been able to, you know, do a few things, just like I did with my little garden and a few other things. I'm an Arizonian. I've been here for a long time, so I'm kind of used to the hot weather, and I can probably stand it for longer periods more than other people, but still it gets hot, so you know, we don't do a lot. I do have to show you really quick how the floors turned out. We actually ended up doing the vinyl luxury wood floors, vinyl luxury plank floors for one of the bedrooms that we just did last weekend, and a review on that is coming up if you're interested, since as I mentioned before in other videos, and if you're new to my channel, we're also renovating our little farmhouse here. And some of the things we've been doing is painting, and now we're actually finally getting to the flooring. I'll show you a little bit of that as well at the end of this video, hopefully. If not, it will be on the next video with a review of, you know, of the product and whether we liked it or not. We'll see. Just have to wait and see. But again, thank you for staying till the end of this video. Don't forget to subscribe and give it a like and share with your friends if they're interested in gardening here in Arizona or anywhere. I am gardening level 0.1 right now. I don't know a lot about gardening, but I'm trying to learn, and I had already killed tons of plants in the process, but you know, that's how you learn. And I'm thinking I'm hoping that every year I get have more and more success. So if you would like to stay and watch my videos, I will leave some links on the corners here for other videos on my channel. And again, thank you for staying, and have a great day. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.
Sometimes you need to go and take a step back.